Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you all are fine and well. Today in this video lesson we are going to learn and write new words, naming words, doing words, describing words and pronouns from the textbook reading portion which we had read yesterday. Come on, let's get started with our writing portion. Let's see the first paragraph of page number 47 and search for these words. The first word which we are going to write is Rohan in naming word. So write it down, R-O-H-A-N, Rohan. The second word which we are going to write is Ravi. Then playground. And then let's move to the next line. We are going to write play, doing word. Now slide, naming word. And swings. Here end is not a naming word, alright. But slide and swings are naming words. Now rush. Then monkey bar. Then swinging. Then let's move to the next line. Slip. Then ground. Dear kids, be careful. We will not repeat the words. We had underlined the repeated words in the textbook, but we are not going to write it down in our notebook. Okay, we will write a word only once. Now let's see the next paragraph. In the next paragraph, the next naming word is mother. Then Dr. Kumar. Then here comes. Now meet, M-E-E-T, met. Then Ravi's mother tells, we will write tells. Then we will write a new word for you, that is fractured. Then cast. And then we are going to write walk in doing word wala column. Then we will write again a new word, that is decided. Decides. Then the next word which we are going to write is spend. Then come to the next paragraph. From the next paragraph we are going to write a describing word, that is sadly. Then excitedly. Now turn the page, come to page number 48 and let's see the words which we are going to write in these columns. Alright. From the next page, page number 48, the first word which we are going to pick is storybook. Write it down. Storybooks, and don't forget to read it also, okay? Then we will write reads. Then again we will write story. Then we will write the selfish giant. Then we are going to write game, that is snake and ladders. Then we will write visits in doing words wala column. Then the next word which we are going to write is study, then laugh in doing words wala column, and then come to naming word wala column and write it down school. Now let's search for the next word, that is friend. We are going to write friend in naming word wala column. Then the next word which we are going to write is in pronoun wala column. Come to the last column and write it down he. Then write it down his. Then write it down him. And then let's search for the next word. The next word is sad, that which we are going to write it down in describing word wala column. And then the next one is door. Door we are going to write here, naming word wala column. Then classroom, CLASSROOM, classroom. Read and write, okay? And then we will write happily in describing word wala column, HAPPILY, happily. Then we are going to write walk, WALK, walk in doing word wala. Oh, walk we had written, so we are not going to write walk. Come to the next one. The next is crutches. We will write it here. It's a new word for you all. Then seat, SEAT, seat. Then boys. And then the last one which we are going to write is talking. That we will write it down. Taking, that we are going to write it down here in doing word wala column. Taking care. The next word is, and the next is think. So here we had completed our notebook work, that is writing of new words, naming words, doing words, describing words and pronouns in notebook of chapter number 4, Ravi break his leg. Now open your textbook. Let's get started with our understanding activity, question and answers. First one. Come to page number 48. Question number 1. Answer the questions. Who are at the playground? Playground में कौन था? Yes, Ravi and Rohan. So we will write Ravi and Rohan are at the playground. Alright, now come to the next one. How does Ravi get hurt? Ravi को चोट कैसे लगी? So we will write, first we will extend the line because it's little big answer. So we will write it down here. Ravi gets hurt because his hand slipped from the swing and he falls to the ground. We will write and he falls to the ground. If you don't have space, you can write it down in the small wala space, as we are going to write this answer in our notebook, so we need not have to worry कि आंसर कैसा लगेगा, because ये हम अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग में फिर से नोटबुक में लिखने ही वाले हैं. ऑलराइट, नाउ कम टू C1. द नेक्स्ट आंसर इज C1. हाउ डज रोहन टेक केयर ऑफ रवि? सो वी विल राइट द आंसर लाइक दिस. रोहन टेक्स रवि होम. सबसे पहले रोहन ने रवि को घर पे लेकर गया था. सो वी विल राइट रोहन takes Ravi home. Then he visits Ravi every day. वो रवि से मिलने रोज जाता था. Then and reads him story books. वो उसके लिए स्टोरी बुक्स भी पढ़ता था. That means they read the story books together. Then Rohan also play games. With whom? With Ravi. रोहन रवि के साथ गेम्स भी खेलता था. Now come to the D1. Why does Rohan feel sad at school? रोहन को स्कूल में क्यों सैड फील हो रहा था? So we will write Rohan feels sad at school because he misses his friend रवि. जब आपका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं आता है तब आप भी रोहन की तरह उसको मिस करते हो ना. वैसे ही रोहन भी रवि को स्कूल पे मिस कर रहा था, इसलिए वो क्या फील कर रहा था? सैड. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हु सेड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड टू whom? इसमें हमको लिखना है कि ये सेंटेंसेस किसने किसको कहे हैं. So the first one is I cannot play now. Who said this sentence? Yes, Ravi said this to Rohan. So we will write it down. Ravi said this to Rohan. Now the next one is Ravi has fractured his leg. Who said this line? Ravi's mother. So we will write Ravi's mother said this to whom? Said this to Rohan. Then Rohan said this to, don't worry, I will come here every day. ये किसने कहा था? रोहन ने. So we will write Rohan said this to whom? To Ravi. Now come to page number 49, question number 3. Find the special names of the given naming words from the story. This question is your homework. You can write it down homework. What you have to do is, आपको स्टोरी में से क्या करना है? स्पेशल नेम्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. फ्रेंड, तो कोई भी एक फ्रेंड का नाम लिखना है, मगर वो स्टोरी में से होना चाहिए, जैसे रोहन या रवि. आई एम राइटिंग हियर रोहन. आप चाहो तो रवि भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है. देन गेम, तो कोई भी एक गेम का नाम लिखना है. देन स्टोरी बुक, तो स्टोरी बुक का नाम लिखना है. लेकिन ये सारे स्पेशल नेम्स टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर, यानी कि दिस चैप्टर नंबर 4 रवि ब्रेक हिज लेग में से ही होने चाहिए. ऑलराइट. सो डियर किड्स, आज का वीडियो क्लास हम यहीं फिनिश करते हैं और आपका होमवर्क है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अलोंग विद दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट एल्स यू हैव टू डू इज you have to write this question answers. That means question number 1. Question number 1, answer the following question. के चारों क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स भी और क्वेश्चंस भी आपको नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. ऑलराइट. सो राइट इट डाउन एंड राइट होमवर्क हियर ऑल्सो. होमवर्क इन नोटबुक. राइट इट डाउन लाइक दिस. तो आपको रिमाइंड हो जाएगा कि ये सारे आंसर्स और क्वेश्चंस आपको नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. ऑलराइट. तो अभी तक हमने नोटबुक में क्या क्या लिखा? फोनिक वर्ड्स, न्यू वर्ड्स, एंड द नेक्स्ट विच वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इज answer the following questions. Alright. So dear kids, bye and thank you.